Hello everybody, Phoenix Arts here, and today, for my first tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw some weapons. And like swords, scythes, daggers, and maybe an axe. Anyway, let's get to it. First of all, let's draw a classic sword. And I think we'll go for a two-handed long sword. Concerning how classic they are. So, just wanted to do something like that. See how the sword design's in there? Alright. Now, let's start with the handle. Always good. And, obviously you can add whatever the hell you want there, but I think I'll just go for... Let's go for a gem. Yep. And I think I'll do a pentagon. Yeah, let's just roll with how big that is for the moment. Alright. Now, crossguard. Let's add circles on the end of these. On the end of this. Now, just have it do like a half pipe across. Like that. Now the handle. Oh, that's a bit off. That's better. Alright, now the blade. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with that design. Very cartoony. But I think, you know what? I think we'll go with that. Also, man, a hole in here for style points. And now I'm just gonna go ink it all up, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, there we go. We got a simple sword design in here. And now it's time for some details. Like, for the gem here. Let's add an inward overlay like that. Save that in for later. Anyway, now for the crossguard. Let's just add a couple circles inside those, because futuristic swords have that, and I think we'll go for futuristic with this. Okay, I'm gonna do some shading on the handle. Oh, remember, very dark on one side, and then gradually make it lighter on the other side. Same with the blade. Alright. Yep. Let's grab point 1 and just fill in these little details. Here we go. Now time to erase all of those. And boom, we got a sword. Now, I think let's do a dagger. And I think instead of just a straight one, we'll add some curves in there. So, in order to do that, just gonna do a simple elongated S. And I'm gonna start with the blade. Need make it go like that. We got some blade. Now for the handle. Oh. Handle. There we go. Ooh. There. And also, let's add a little mini blade, just in case you want to use the bottom section. And you see where I'm going. Anyway, I'll just ink it all up. Alright, just inked it all up, and ink will add some texture to the handle. Yeah, just simply go like that. Some cross-hatching type of style, and also let's add some shading on the blade here. There we go. Yeah. Also, let's ink up the cross-hatching. Lost the word for that for a second. And there we go. And that's another weapon done. And very easy. And I think we'll do an axe next. Alright. So, same principle with an axe. Now, I'm going to make this one two-bladed. And so, just come up, snake it around like this, then add the cutting edge. Alright, then have it curved back in, and you almost had the Batman symbol there. Although I don't picture him using an axe. Anyway, now for a handle. Oh. Let's add some thickness to it. And let's just add a little spike on the end, because why the hell not? Also, details in here. Yeah. See how it looks? Looks a little bit better now. Also, let's just yeah. I just paused there for a second because my mum just walked in because she didn't see the sign I put up telling people not to disturb. Anyway, now we go on axe design. Let's ink it all up. Here we go. Got ourselves an axe, and shading time as always. Yeah, and I think you guys know the drill by now. Oh. Yeah, if you're gonna ask why are there big holes in there, and that's because it looks cool. Well, alright. Okay. Now for the handle. Oh. Let's make it leather wrap. Yep. Like that. And just ink it up. Yep. simple slanted stripes. Okay. Alright. And I think that's gonna do. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for next week's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!